they go with their stern to clip, and then we go.
Let's see how. We're gonna give you a rope. We're gonna throw you a rope.
We throw you the line.
If I go in, I get stuck too.
Yes.
Let me work this out.
Absolutely.
It's exactly the same as last year. The fucking place. Exactly the same. One.
Hold the end.
Yes.
The end.
What can I do?
Nothing. Wait. Get the line.
Get the line.
Grab it.
Grab it. Hold it.
Clip there. Anywhere.
Give me.
Just grab it.
They have a carabiner. I gave them the carabiner.
Huh? He's doing the trial.
It doesn't.
Fine, come down, slip it anywhere.
Well, be careful with this rope.
Let it. You can work with it.
Yeah.
I know.
You know what? Just back me there. I'm going to. Okay, go.
No. Yes.
Watch their line.
Oh, watch out.
But was it the engine stopped or what? What was
No,
it?
it was not good.
Good. Once I'm outside of this line area, so I can put it back.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Working?
Ready?
Okay, no.
Go astern. We go and hold the boat, huh?
Look at that.
But the least is there at this.
What? So they can jump into the boat.
Okay.
Be careful with line, so
Malcolm Blood.
Is there a headlight?
You see our location, please. Go on the shore there. We pick you up from there.
Ay.
This.
He can go 6-9.
All right.
He can't only hold it in the middle of the water.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, also if he can go on radio 6-9, it would be also good if he is around.
Jump.
Jump in.
Jump in.
Jump.
From the side. You will come from the side. Right?
Pull it up. Okay.
Walk me out.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Now, walk in. Hold me.
Switch off. Yes. Okay, listen. Walk in. Oh, sorry. Hello.
Yes.
Turn on the engine.
Yes.
And then on 1, 2, 3, we pull
Yeah.
the water.
Okay.
And then you jump.
All right.
Wait.
On the count of 3.
Pull now on the water.
Caminen para adentro. Walk in. Start walking in. To the water.
Wait, too deep.
Here is quite deep, huh?
You, Frank, come in.
Come in, Frank. Okay. Okay, ready, blood?
Wait.
You brought him.
In me. So they go in, bow in,
Yes.
and then you just jump, and I will push them because
We push it together.
we push it together.
We push it together and we jump. It's gonna be fine. It's deep enough, I think. Yeah, now.
Wait. Let's turn. Okay, go.
Okay.
Go, buddy.
There we go.
Lower the bow line. Thank you. Lower the bow line.
The bow line.
Put it down in the water. Yeah.
Now, guys, you're 3 there. As soon as we get there, you grab them from the life jacket. Go.
Yes, there we go. Very good.
That's what I was going to say. This is the step.
I think this is not safe for guests.
It's not safe.
One.
There's one.
Guys, take a warm shower. I'll take care of this one. Don't worry.
It's okay. I'll take care.
Bienvenido.